In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Pinterest profile URL link. Start by opening Pinterest in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This matters because the link you're going to copy is tied to the profile you're currently using. If you're on desktop, head to the Pinterest homepage. If you're on mobile, the process is similar, but I'll keep the focus on the browser view so everything's easy to follow. Next, open Settings. On desktop, you'll usually find this by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner to open the account menu, then selecting the option labeled Settings with a small gear icon. This takes you into the area where Pinterest keeps all your account and profile controls. Once you're in, choose Settings again if you see a sidebar or a hub of options. Pinterest sometimes shows a general account center first, and you may need to click the main settings section to view the details we want. The goal is to reach the page that shows your username and related profile information. Now scroll until you see your username. Just below it, Pinterest displays your profile URL, which typically looks like pinterest.com/yourusername. Click that link. Depending on your browser and layout, it will either open your public profile in a new tab or highlight the link. If it opens your profile page, simply copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. You can right-click and choose copy or use keyboard shortcuts. Command+C on a Mac or Control+C on Windows. On a phone or tablet, long press the address bar and tap copy. If the link highlights in place, use the same copy commands to grab it directly. That's all you need to capture your official Pinterest profile link. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Your profile URL is based on your username, so if you ever change your username, your link will change too. If you want a cleaner, more memorable link, consider setting a short, recognizable username in settings first, then copy the link afterward. Also, if the URL isn't immediately visible, scroll a bit further within the settings page until you find the username section. Finally, if you're on the mobile app, the path is similar. Open your profile, tap the gear for settings, then locate your username and the link beneath it and copy it from there. You now have your Pinterest profile URL ready to paste into your social bios, email signature, or anywhere you want people to find your boards and pins.